and welcome to the Pronunciation Game Show. Today, our special guest is the letter A. Now, when you see A in a word, for example, cat, banana, park, A sounds different. Cat, banana, park. Here are 6 different sounds of the letter A. A, as in cat, apple. As in America, about. R, as in park, art. Or, as in walk, water. A, as in day, take. And other sounds, as in orange and any. I am now going to read out some words with the letter A. Listen to the sound of A in each word and decide which group does the word belong to. Let's have a practice. Bat. Group 1. Dark. Group 3. Make. Group 5. Ago. Group 2. You see? Now it's your turn. I'm going to read out some words. Each group will have just 3 words. Did you download the worksheet for this exercise? If not, you should pause this video now and download the worksheet using this link. Ready? Let's go! Can. Saw. Date. Around. Can't. What? Page. Agree. Father. Law. And. Anyone. Bag. War. America. Many. Ask. Came. And here are the answers. How many did you get right? If you scored more than 12, then well done. If you scored less than 6, do this activity again. Join me next time for the sound of the letter E.